Hello, and thank you for joining today's session with Harvard Western Insurance. Here we will go step by step on how you can apply for your medical malpractice liability insurance policy. Let's get started. First, select the link for the 2025 Paramedics insurance application provided to you by the college. On this page, you would select the date you need the coverage to start. The default highlighted date would be today's date. So make sure you select the right date for your 2025 application by selecting January 1st, 2025. After that, select Continue. On this page, you would tell us your details. Most of you will apply as an individual, but some of you may apply as a business. So select the right option. In this case, let's go with personal. Please enter in your legal first and last name. Then select your correct date of birth from the drop-downs. After which you would add in your contact information, such as your phone or cell number. Next, you would add the correct email address, as this is where you will receive your insurance documents and other communication. Then click Continue. This is now the page where you will answer the questions that will confirm your eligibility. Please make sure you answer only after reading the questions carefully. The steps are quite simple. There are no wrong answers. You would select either true or false, after which you would click Continue. On this page, you would give us details of any paramedic activity you are participating in that create revenue outside of your current employment, including being self-employed, designing or selling paramedical devices, equipment, or products. Here you would select yes or no. As an example, if you select yes, there will be a following question. Is this teaching other paramedics? Again, select yes or no. In your answer is no and are conducting other paramedic-related activities. Please explain what those activities are in the section provided. After selecting all the options, click Continue. Now on this page, you will add your address. Please note this address has to be a Saskatchewan address. If you are living outside the province, you will have to add your employer's address, which is based in Saskatchewan. Please note you also cannot add a P.O. box address. In most, if not all cases, your address will pre-populate from the address search bar. After completing this step, press Continue. Now this is your summary page. This page contains all the coverages and limits of your policy. Please note this is the last step before finalizing your quote. From here, you can either go back or continue. Let's click Continue. One last step. As you can see and highlighted in red, the application will now ask for a mailing address. On the left-hand tab, you will find the mailing address highlighted by a red exclamation dot. Now here you will be able to select your mailing address. In the case if you were not able to add your out-of-province address or P.O. box address, now is the time to do so by clicking the Add New Address option. Here I will add my mailing address. Then let's click Continue after the selection. Now you have reached the payment screen. As you can see, no payment information is required at this time. You can now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Here you can click Issue. This is where the entire summary of your application will pop up. You can now review the details that you have entered, which would be your contact information and the answers to the questions. Here you will also once again find your coverage details. You will go through the terms, conditions, limitations, and exclusions. This section will also contain your consent, acknowledgement, agreement, and acceptance. You will also find our brokerage and insurer details. Now in this last step, you can purchase your policy by clicking Accept. Congratulations, and there you go. You have completed all the steps in getting your insurance. In a few moments, maybe about 5 minutes, you will receive your insurance policy in your email. Now, if the application for any reason needs further review, you will be getting a different message such as this. Please note that this can happen, and we will review your file and reach out within 24 hours. If you like, you can call us before this time period at your convenience. We will then issue the policy as soon as possible. Now, once the policy is issued, you will receive this email containing 3 attachments. Please use the attachment named Declaration page for your license application.